Quick, I'm going to show you how to add a transparent background to your TikTok live streams. What you would do is go to Canva and you would go to social media right here. And you want to make sure that you pick Instagram story because it has the right dimensions, basically the right measurements for a TikTok live stream. Okay, so we'll click that. Now, here's the catch. You want to make sure that you're looking for bold letters, letters that actually stop the scroll of whoever you're trying to reach on your TikTok live stream timeline. Okay, so look for bold letters. Don't look for anything like this. That's not going to really stick out because remember, your background also is going to be displayed, whatever's behind you on your TikTok live stream. Okay, so I would pick something like this because it's bold letters. Let's pick it. You also want to make sure you're not picking something that has a play button because all it is a video. So just don't even make yourself work hard by picking those. So you want to remove any extra letters, okay, because we do not need those. And then you're going to add a page, okay, because this is a background. You can pick one, you can choose one that doesn't necessarily have a background. You can find a very simplistic design over here on the right hand side that just has like a black or a white background, but I like the letters, so that's why I went with that one. So all I would do is just take the letters and move them down here, okay. You just need a black or a white background. All right, we're going to go ahead and delete that because we don't need it. Now, your title needs to be something that's going to grab the attention very quickly in 1 to 3 seconds of your target audience. Your target audience is whoever you're trying to reach on your TikTok live stream with the subject matter that you're going to be discussing. I am a digital marketer, so my target audience is a 9-to-5 girly who is tired of living paycheck to paycheck. She wants to make multiple streams of income online, but she doesn't want to be stressed out in the process of doing that. So this is how I'm going to grab her attention. Stretch that out, and then I know that it needs to be small in order to fit inside of the frame. So we'll do it like that. And enter. We're just trying to size it right now. We're going to keep this, and we're going to put in digital marketing. All right, my colors are black, orange, and white, so you would change it to whatever your brand colors are. No, this would actually be black ebony, black. And then this would be orange. Okay. And we'll move them closer together. They're kind of off a little bit, so let's center it. There we go. Now you have your black or your white background, right? So what you're going to do is go over here and you're going to hit share, and it's the same way if you're doing it on the phone. I just wanted to record it on the computer for the sake of giving you a video tutorial. So we're going to click share. We're going to click download. Now here's where the magic happens. You have to click transparent background in order to remove that black background. Okay. And then as you can see, you do need Canva Pro in order to do this. Sign up for the 30-day free trial like I do. All right. So we're just going to hit download and let's see the magic happens. All right. Now let's click it and see. See, there is no black background. It's just showing you like, hey, there is no background to this at all. So they just kind of have a grayscale behind it. Okay. Now, let's say I was going to use this on my TikTok live. What I would do is, well, let me just show you what mine looks like. We're going to go down here to downloads, and I'm going to show you what my live stream looked like. This is live recordings inside of the TikTok app, and this was today. So I'm going to hit play.
What community are you in? Let me ask.
Okay, so as you can see, I wanted to show you, you see how I have the words right there on top of my face. So make sure that you're moving your words down in the middle so people can actually see you. But as you can see, it is transparent. Okay, now how do you upload it to TikTok? I actually have to go over to my phone. So I'm going to pull up my phone in order to show you exactly how you utilize what is it called, guys? The green screen feature on the TikTok app. All right. Okay, so we're in the TikTok app, right? What we want to do is, of course, hit this plus sign down here in the middle at the bottom. And we're going to scroll over to live. Okay. Now, of course, you have your title right there. But how we're going to get that transparent background would be we're going to hit effects right here in the middle of the screen. And, I already kind of have it in there, guys, what I use. But let's just say you're not even on the green screen option effect for this video. Let's just say you will have to find it. What you would need to do is select the search bar, and then you would type in green screen, and so many different ones come up, but you want to select the one where the hand is raised. Okay. And then it's going to pull up your photos gallery from your phone. And I'm going to select the last picture that I downloaded to my phone from Canva. And there it is. Okay, so you would move it around. So let's just hit go live. All right, so you see you can move it around wherever you need it to go. All right, and that's how you do it. Make sure you guys like this video, or, leave me a comment that this was helpful to you.